Here's how to fix Roblox voice chat if it's not showing up. If this helped, please subscribe and like the video. So this issue can be frustrating because you can't talk in games. We have several solutions for you to try whether the voice chat is missing in the game or in your Roblox settings. First of all, you need to go ahead and open roblox.com, log into your specific account, and after you've done that, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings. Once you're in the settings page, make sure that your phone number is verified and also make sure that your email is also verified. Another thing you need to check is your age group. Make sure that your age is verified over here. And after you've done that, tap on privacy and content restrictions that is below security option. Once you're in this page, tap on communication and then go to voice chat that is between the party and the camera input option. And make sure that you have toggled this switch on. And if you haven't already, turn on enable microphone option and confirm by clicking on enable. And if you don't see this setting, you might need to verify your age first. You'll need to use an ID to verify, and after verifying, you can return to privacy and content restrictions, and then communication and voice chat and try enabling it again. With this setting on, you will see a microphone icon in the top left of the Roblox games. Click on it to unmute yourself and use the voice chat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.